Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Art. It's another love reading. Timeless and general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading makaresonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tingnan natin ngayon kung anong love, connections, lessons in life, and guidance ang ating mababatid for this reading. Spirit guides and may messages. Anong connections ito? Mga aral at gabay sa buhay, pag-ibig ang nais yung ipabatid sa amin. Anong nais ninyong ipabatid sa amin, Spirit Guide? Lessons in life, lessons in love, guidance, and anong love connection ito? We have here the Tower, the Empress, Nine of Coins, the World, Five of Wands, the Fountain, and Six of Coins. Kuha pa tayong isa, bottom of the deck, King of Swords. The Tower, Five of Wands. Unahin natin itong dalawang to. The Tower and Five of Wands, meaning lot of conflict, confusion, pag-aaway, pagtatalo, paulit-ulit na hindi pagkakaunawaan, Five of Wands, too much complication na sa inyong relationship. That's why the Tower wasak na. Ibig sabihin, hindi na talaga maayos pa, sira na, wasak na, hindi na siya buo pa, at matindi ang nangyari sa inyo ng person mo. Maybe, if this is happening to you right now, all you have to do is to save yourself from the distraction. Ibig sabihin, if it is too much painful to take na your relationship right now, maybe you have to end na. Pahinga mo yung puso mo, pahinga mo yung isip mo, just take care of yourself. If it is too much na, and talagang wala na, wasak na. You have to walk away na from that kind of relationship, especially kapag nararamdaman mo unti-unti nawawalan ka na ng trust, nawawalan ka na ng respeto sa sarili mo, at bumababa na yung self-esteem mo because of your situation, because of that toxic relationship. And somehow, ang pinaka-guidance dito is for you to focus to yourself. Nine of Coins is being single, free from any toxic connections, single pero masaya, maayos, at maunlad ang pamumuhay. Ibig sabihin, magandang iyong karera, negosyo, pag-aaral, kung ano pa man inyong tinatahak. So from that being said, you will become more attractive. And you will meet this one, sabihin natin, ito yung someone na mas mature. Intelihenteng taong ito, hindi siya ganun ka-emosyonal, hindi siya ganun pagpapakita ng karinyo, pero very thoughtful itong taong to. So somehow, clear ang kanyang intentions, at clear din na ipapahayag sa'yo yung nais niya na patutunguhan o magiging direksyon ng inyong pagsasama. No, kasi meron yung iba na parang wala, parang happy, ganyan ganito, pero pag tatanungin mo ano bang plano mo para sa atin, wala siya may sagot kasi parang wala pa. 'Di ba? Parang pero itong taong to, andiyan na meron na siyang mga nabubuong mga plans para sa inyong dalawa, at very clear ang kanyang intention para sa iyo. Yung magandang intention niya para sa iyo. Oh, at merong ditong Six of Coins. So, ibig sabihin, it will be a give and take, a very generous relationship. Yan, give and take. At napakaganda ng connection ninyo ng taong to. Kaya naman, the Empress, yung connections ninyo from being single, you are being taken care of, you are being loved, at ito pa, this signifies that you will get pregnant. Ibig sabihin, magbubunga ang inyong pagsasama with this person, pero mararamdaman mo that hindi ka dapat mag-alala. No? Because you are being taken care of, you are being loved by this person, at talagang pakaiingatan ka niya. Maaring mamimit mo tong taong to from a long distance, then eventually magmimit kayo, magsasama kayo, and you will live happily. You will achieve this kind of the fountain. Ibig sabihin, yung fountain na yan is yung fountain of love, fountain of abundance, because meron ditong infinity. Ibig sabihin yan, walang hanggan, nakaligayahan, at walang hanggan ang inyong pagsasama. So, ito na yung masasabi nating maaring siya na yung someone na makakatuluyan mo. At maaring nga pwede naman, even before your marriage, you will get pregnant, or after your marriage, yan, magbubunga na talaga ang inyong pagmamahalan. You will travel around the world. Yan, and it will be the fulfillment of your heart's desire or your dreams in life. To be with this someone who will take care for you, who will respect you, who will love you unconditionally, the fountain here. And maybe this is the one to protect you from any pain again. Siyempre, hindi mawawala dyan yung sometimes tampuhan, pero this person is very thoughtful and knows how to handle relationship. Maybe yun na rin yung natutunan niya before, kaya nandun na yung maturity para sa kanya. Kaya napakaganda na kapag nandun ka sa isang relasyon na parang maawa ka naman na sa sarili mo, kung araw-araw ka na lang umiiyak at puro araw-araw na lang ang pagtatalo at pag-aaway ang nangyayari sa inyo, especially kung yung person na yun wala ng love, bakit mo pa ipipilit? Diba? Meron namang inilaan na para sa'yo. Ngayon, when you cannot let go of that old energy, you will not have the new energy in your life. So, letting go, forgive also yourself. Kasi somehow, in that relationship, syempre, maaaring meron ka rin namang nagawa, something, or sabihin natin na hinayaan mo yung sarili mo na magkasala, or hinayaan mo yung sarili mo na paulit-ulit na lang saktan. So, just forgiveness, also forgive that person for your peace of mind and ask forgiveness from God. Then let go, move forward with yourself. Kahit sa mga panahon na to, maaring single ka, eventually, talagang ilalaan sa'yo ng universe, ni God, ang someone that is truly for you. You will bear a child. You will be happy. You will travel the world together, explore, and enjoy life together. At napakagandang yan. Kung ngayon nandyan ka, sabi mo, wala ka na ibang mamahalin pa kundi yung taong yon. Masasabi mo, hindi ka na magmamahal pa ng iba. Ay, bilog ang mundo. At saka huwag ka magsasalita ng tapos. Kasi maaring sa ngayon, kung gusto mo bumalik yung taong yon, kung hindi naman talaga siya yung para sa'yo, wala kang magagawa doon. Ngayon, eventually, kung siya talaga yung para sa'yo, maybe you will have to go through the process at yung person din na yon to learn, to realize something, to learn, to mature, to transform, to change, bago kayo magkabalikan. It will happen in its perfect timing ni God. Ito ring someone na to, you will meet this in its perfect timing. Kung kailan you are stronger, you are stable emotionally. Peaceful resolution. You will have peaceful resolution when you let go. Sabi dito, you will have peaceful resolution when you let go of that toxic person, when you walk away from that toxic situation, if you set yourself free from that toxic relationship. And only you will obtain yung love, yung abundance of love from someone na maaaring nandiyan lang pala sa paligid mo, yung tunay na nagmamalasakit sa'yo, di ba? When you have to let go all your pain to God, let go of that toxic person, move forward with your life, just trust the process. Eventually, you will transform into someone better, someone stronger. And when you are ready, again, maybe that's the right timing for you to meet the right one. Okay, so yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day po and God bless.